Hello guys, after a long time we are meeting. So it's been around 2 weeks, I guess, 2 or 3 weeks. I have not uploaded any video on YouTube. Actually, I was a bit busy in some other work, so I was unable to upload, unable to meet with you guys. So sorry for that. So no worries. Today in this video, I have bring a very exciting news for you guys. So in this video, like we are gonna see best Indian telephony provider which is charging the price based on the channel, not on the per minute charges. So it will be a very exciting news for you. So you can see on the screen as well, the telephony provider is called as a Telecmi Poipiy. So let me show you the website of Poipiy as well. So see, this is the website of the company Poipiy, which is the child company of the parent company called Telecmi. So Telecmi is having the parent company, child company called Piopiy. So we are going to focus on the Piopiy. So Piopiy is a company which is offering a telephony service to the AI calling agent. So in this video, we are gonna see an integration of the Piopiy, like Telecmi, you can say, with the LiveKit. So it will be a very exciting video. It will be a very good video, very understanding video. Be with me in the video. I will explain you every integration, every aspects, and every plan of the Piopiy as well. So let us first start with the plan integration. So we'll first see the integration, then we'll see the plan details. Okay, so for the integration, you have to first log in inside your Poipiy dashboard. So I'm not going to show you that how you can log into the Poipiy dashboard. It's a very casual process. You have to just follow it, and after following, you just have to come inside the dashboard. So after coming inside the dashboard, you can see this kind of screen. Okay, so you have to we are gonna making the configuration of LiveKit and Poipiy via SIP. So SIP is one of the best method for configuration. So let me start the process. Okay, so first you have to visit the dashboard. After visiting the dashboard, you have to create a service. Click on the create service. Inside the create service, you have to select the SIP trunk as an option. So I'm selecting the SIP trunk as an option, then click next. After clicking next, you have to give the name to your SIP. So I'm giving the name as a Vision. Okay, then you have to select the country. So obviously I live in India, so I'm selecting the country as India. You have to select the username. Remember, the username and password should be like that, so that you can put it in the LiveKit as well. So you have to keep the password easy and like security wise also a better password. So I'm gonna putting the username as Vision as well. You can put any name, whatever you want, and the password as Vision IT 123 @. You can see over here I have kept the password as well, Vision IT 123 @. Then region, you have to select the region as Mumbai. So after selecting the regions, here you have to put the your SIP URL. So we are gonna go inside the LiveKit. So inside the LiveKit, you have to click on the copy the SIP URL. Okay, so I'm gonna copying the SIP URL. So after copying the SIP URL, you have to paste that SIP URL over here and remove the SIP and colon. Okay, and then click create. Yes, you can see my SIP has been created successfully, Vision, which I have created. So after creating the SIP application, you can say it as a SIP or app. So inside the app, you can see there is an option of SIP trunk, your username and password which we have put it. You can see over here. Then in the call settings, you can also see the SIP URL. Then one thing you have to do, it is very important. So in the IP, if you are using a LiveKit cloud, then this process you have to follow. Okay, so you have to just enable the option, okay, of the IP whitelisting. Inside the IP, you have to put the two IP which you have to whitelist. So let me show you that IP. Yes, so the IPs are 143.223.88.0/21. So this is my first IP. You have to put the same IP if you are using a LiveKit cloud. I'm repeating, you have to use the same IP if you are using the LiveKit cloud. So you have to click over the plus icon. Then you have to put the second IP. The second IP is 161.115.160.0/19. That's it. And you have to click on save. So this much the setting you have to do. So let me show you again what settings we have done. We have set the SIP password, username and password. Then we have whitelisted the IP, and we have put it the SIP URL from the LiveKit inside this dashboard, inside this application, or a SIP you can say. So after this step, you have to follow one important step. you have to go inside the numbers option. Inside the numbers option, you have to buy one phone number. Okay, I have already purchased one phone number, you can see over here. So you have to assign the application which you have created, like Vision, to this phone number. So how to assign it? You have to click on the settings icon here, tab below on the Vision icon, and you have to click on the forward. So you can see number mapped successfully. This is the process you have to follow, or you will get the error in the integration in future. Okay, so this is very important step which you have to follow. Click on the OK. Now the number has been mapped, and make sure you have some amount in your main balance for making some calls. That is the obvious thing which you have to follow. So yeah, this much is a setting which you have to follow inside the Poipiy dashboard. Now you have to create a trunk inside the LiveKit. So go inside the LiveKit dashboard, click on create new trunk. I'm creating the trunk for the outbound call, so I'm giving the name for the trunk as Shreyas. Then click on the outbound. Now here in the address you have to paste type this bomb.poipiy.com. This is the same address you have to type if you want integration with the Telecmi. Okay, then in the transport you have to select the default, like auto. Then in the phone number you have to copy the phone number of the Poipiy dashboard. Let me just copy this number, okay, and paste it inside the LiveKit. Okay, here you have to put plus before the phone number because it's an obvious thing, and inside the username and password you have to paste the username and password which you have put it inside the application. So let me go inside the application in the Poipiy dashboard. Just copy this username and paste this username over here. Okay, make sure you don't have any space before the name, username, and the password you have to copy this and you have to paste it over here. Okay, then after these settings you have to click on the create. Then yes, we have successfully created one trunk, outbound trunk. Then what you have to do, then you have to click on the configure trunk option. One thing which you have to do inside the JSON. Okay, then let me open another let me open the another dashboard in the another tab, LiveKit.io. Here you have to put one header parameter which is very necessary for the configuration, or else you will get one error, like no headers in the auth. So no auth password and credentials in the header. So you have to just follow this step. Let me open the dashboard in another tab. Yes, you can see this is the parameter which you have to enter here. The headers is a parameter x.poipiy/username, and here you have to paste your username, like auth username which you have done. Okay, so let me just copy this parameter and paste it over here, like place the comma and paste this parameter over here. Now my password is Vision. See, so I will keep it is as it is. If your password is if your username is different, so you have to put the different username in the x.poipiy.username. This username should be matched with your Poipiy username, this username. So you just have to follow this step and click on update. So yeah, after clicking on the update, we have successfully connected our Poipiy dashboard, Telecmi dashboard with the LiveKit. Now you just have to test it. For testing, what I'm doing, I'm gonna copy the trunk ID of the LiveKit SIP trunk which I have created now, and you have to go inside your code. Yeah, now you can see in this I have opened my LiveKit code. So you have to open your env file and you have to paste the trunk ID, like your SIP trunk ID, inside your env file. So let me paste that code over here, ID over here. After adding your LiveKit trunk ID, you have to click on the save. Don't forget to save or your changes will not be saved. Okay, now you have to run your code, like LiveKit code. So yes guys, we have successfully registered our worker, like agent. Now we can test our call, like our integration. So for that I will visit inside the fast API docs, which where I have created many type of the APIs, you can see over here. Now I will make a call to my phone number. Okay, so you can see this is the call API. Inside the call API I'm gonna making the phone call. Okay, so this is my phone number basically. Now I'm making the phone call. I will click on execute. So after clicking on the execute, you can see over here the logs over here. Our agent is running right now for making the calls. Yes, you can see I got a call. Now I will pick up the call. Hello.
Hello Rajesh, we discussed refurbished laptops. Shall I share a quotation?
Yes, Rajesh. Could you please explain me what products do you have?
We offer refurbished laptops starting from 15,000. Would you like to know about specific models?
Do you have a MacBook laptop?
Yes, we do have refurbished MacBook laptops available. Would you like a quotation for a specific model?
No, thank you so much. Actually, I'm currently a bit busy right now. You can call me later. Okay. Bye.
Sure, no problem. Thank you for your time.
So see guys, we have successfully done the integration with our Poipiy and the LiveKit like Telecmi and the LiveKit, you can say. Now let us see the features of the Poipiy and pricing as well. So the pricing of the Poipiy is basis on the channel. Like you don't have to pay the pricing based on the per minute charges like other platform Vobiz AI. Previously we have seen the video of Vobiz AI. In this Vobiz AI, the Vobiz AI charging the prices based on the per minute charge. But Poipiy is charging based on the channel. So let us see the features first. See, one channel is of 1000 rupees. Now the minimum requirement of the Poipiy is you have to buy 5 channels compulsory here. You have to buy a 5 channels compulsory. The one channel is of 1000 rupees. Okay. In that plan, you will get one DID free. Like one phone number is free in this plan. Like if you buy a 5 channels, you will get one DID free, one virtual number free for making a calls. But if you want to buy additional phone numbers like more than one, then you have to pay 400 rupees for per virtual phone number like per DID. Okay. And inside this, the platform currently the platform is having a 4 concurrency limit. That means you can make a call of up to 4 calls. You can't make a 5 calls. As you are getting the 5 channels, you can make a 5 calls. You currently can make a 4 calls at a time. Now you will get a question, what will I do of one channel which I get extra? So what you can do, you can make that channel in the queue. Like you can wait for 4 calls. Like you can suppose you will make a 4 calls at a time. You keep the fifth channel in the queue and wait for any 4 of the calls to stop the conversation. If any 4 of the call will stop the conversation, then your fifth channel will work. So like that you can make the fifth channel in the use. Okay. And one thing I want to mention you here, what is the benefit of Poipiy? Like you will get a question, what is the benefit of Poipiy as compared to other platforms? So here, if you buy 5 channels, which is of 1000 rupees each, that means a 5000 rupees in total, and you will get a one DID. Okay, means in the 5000 you can make unlimited inbound and outbound calls. This is one of the feature I definitely prefer, because you don't have to pay a per minute charges. You can make inbound and outbound calls by buying only a 5 channel a month, which is of 5000, and you can make unlimited inbound and outbound calls. So there is no any limit, just a limit of 4 concurrent call, that's it, and you can make unlimited multiple calls. Okay, so I hope you got understood about the pricing and the features as well. Then let me explain you about the channel as well. What is mean by channel? So see, suppose our agent is making a call to a phone number. Okay, suppose my LiveKit agent is making a call to any phone number, suppose my phone number. So in that process, there is some process or a way through which my agent will call to any phone number or to any person. So that way is called as a channel. So one channel can make, through one channel you can make a one call, through 5 channels you can make a 5 call, through 10 channels you can make a 10 call. So channel is nothing but a way or process, you can say, through which a AI agent calls to a particular phone number. Okay. If you have any question, any query related to Telecm or Poipiy, you can comment me below, and you can also please like, share and subscribe to the channel, because I have made a big effort for you and very lot of research, because as you know the AI field is currently rising, and there are some many challenges as well. You have to do a lot of research, and you have to face a lot of challenges before doing an integration. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video.